Hello friends and welcome to What a Hairstyle, the place where good hair days start. Today we talk about classy, simple short hair ideas for women over 50. There are more than 100 styles to pick from, and each can be shaped to fit your life. This video will guide you through choosing, caring, and showing your best look, no matter which shortcut you love, every single day. Why pick a short style after 50? Short hair feels light, fresh, and free. It dries fast, needs less heat, and saves morning time. A well-shaped cut can lift the face, brighten the eyes, and put focus on your smile. Because hair may thin or gray with age, a neat outline helps strands look full, tidy, and lively, giving steady confidence all day in every single joyful waking moment. Remember, there is no single right cut. With over 100 short styles, you can choose blunt edges, gentle layers, playful curls, or bold angles. Some women like smooth shapes that sit near the jaw, while others enjoy edgy pieces that spike up at the crown. You decide length, part, and texture. Try clipping pictures, noting what you love. Then ask a trusted stylist to guide your final pick today. Once you have the perfect short style, caring for it stays simple. Wash with gentle shampoo. Then add light conditioner only to ends so roots keep lift. Dab a pea of mousse or cream, work through damp hair, and blow dry with fingers for natural shape. Trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep lines sharp. Regular small cuts prevent split ends and maintain bounce without major effort each day. Styling short hair can change with mood. 4 soft volume. Lift roots while drying and sweep fringe to the side. 4 calm polish, smooth strands with a flat iron, then tuck behind ears. When you crave play, twist tiny sections around a wand for loose bends. Working woman. A quick dab of gel slicks hair back neatly. Night out. Sprinkle light spray glitter to make gray or silver sparkle brightly. You now know that the world of short hair after 50 is huge and bright. With over 100 classy, simple choices, there is a perfect match waiting for you. Listen to your heart, talk with a skilled stylist, and test different looks until one feels like home. Keep carrying steps easy, stay brave with color, and enjoy showing your true self. Thank you for watching What a Hairstyle today.